thanks for being here today. I thought I'd start off with just a few upfront comments. As all of you are aware, the President of the United States and subsequently the nations of NATO have determined that we will end our military mission. As such, I now have a set of orders. And what that means to me is I have some very clear objectives. First and foremost, it's my objective to ensure that the Afghan security forces are in the best possible security posture. Also, that we will conduct an orderly withdrawal from Afghanistan, and that means transitioning bases and equipment to the Afghan security forces. And also charged with ensuring it's as safe as possible, meaning we will protect the force as we depart from Afghanistan. With that, we have the military means and capability to fully protect our force during retrograde, as well as support the Afghan security forces. Our forces are now preparing to retrograde. Officially, the notification date will be the 1st of May. But at the same time, as we start taking local actions, we've already begun that. Condemn those targeted killings as well. As we start talking the coalition in the United States withdrawal from Afghanistan, my message to the people of Afghanistan is this is the time for unity. It's the time to come together. It's the time to support your security forces. I often get asked, how are the security forces? Can the security forces do the work in our absence? And my message has always been the same. They must be ready. They must be ready, and they need the support of the Afghan people. And as we've often talked, the Afghan people have an awful lot to be proud of in their security forces for the sacrifices they've made.
آژانس خبری پژواک انعکاس دهنده حقایق